honey lemon pepper lobster tails, and the only seasoning you're gonna need is that Atlanta lemon pepper hot.
Shawty, these are some of the best lobster tails I've ever had. First, pull your lobster meat out of the shell, lay it on top. For seasoning, we're using that Uncle Dibbz Atlanta lemon pepper hot. Put that all over your lobster tails. Then we're gonna throw these on the grill at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. Add a couple sticks of butter to a cast iron skillet, let that melt. Now let's make our honey butter sauce. Garlic, honey, parsley, and some more of that Atlanta lemon pepper hot seasoning. Mix that on up, then spread it all over your lobster tails. Bussin'.
That's good, shawty.